Welcome to this instructional video on how to use the Harmonitor pivot tables and trade flow tool for analyzing the trade of biological resources and bio-based products and materials. In this video, we'll guide you through each tab of the Excel file and show you how to effectively use the slices to explore trade data. Let's get started. On the cover page of the Excel file, you can find links to the different pivot tables and the online interactive flow map. You will also find instructions on how to use the pivot tables and information on the data sources. First, let's take a look at the EU Trade Totals tab. This tab provides a comprehensive overview of EU trade data for specific years. You can select from the years 2015, 2018, or 2021. To start analyzing the data, use the slices on the top. Use the Import-Export slicer to focus on either data based on declared imports or declared exports, categories, subcategories, and specific products. Use these slices to look into specific types of bio-based materials or products. This is useful if you want to focus on a particular segment of a bio-based value chain. The table on the right shows you the largest importers and exporters in and outside of the EU based on your selected filters. The table will automatically update with your selections. You can also filter by specific importing and exporting countries to see the trade flows between specific countries, or view the total imports or exports for a particular country. The table will show you trade flow data in different trade directions. The trade directions are intra-EU trade, which refers to trade occurring between EU member countries, extra-EU imports, which is the imports into the EU from non-EU countries, and extra-EU exports, which are the exports from the EU to countries outside of the EU. The graph will update automatically based on your selections, showing the total trade and the share of intra-EU and extra-EU trade. Next, let's move on to the second tab, Trade over the years. This tab is designed to help you analyze how trade has changed over the years. The same slices are available to refine your analysis by type of data or specific products. This is great for identifying trends and understanding how trade relationships have developed. Now, let's take a closer look at the third tab, the EU Trade between countries. This tab provides detailed insights into bilateral trade flows, perfect for analyzing trade between specific countries. Use the same slices as before to refine your data. You can also easily view the specific trade quantities between two countries. In addition to the pivot tables, we also have an online interactive map available through the Flow Map Blue tool. You can access this map using the link provided in the Excel file. The Flow Map Blue tool lets you visually explore trade flows between countries. You can filter between different bio-based resources, including starch, oil, and sugar crops, bio-based value chains, including various bio-based textile value chains, various wooden products, and chemicals, including both drop-in chemicals and bio-based dedicated chemicals. You can also view the total imports and exports of specific countries and look at individual trade flows. This is an excellent way to gain a deeper understanding of the data and identify key trade patterns. With this tool, you now have a powerful way to analyze and visualize trade data of biological resources and bio-based materials across the EU. Remember to explore each tab and use the slices to tailor the data to your specific needs. Thank you for watching and happy analyzing. For more information or assistance, please refer to the associated deliverable. Take a look at our project website at harmonitor.eu or contact us through the website.